In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find deleted photos and want to show you Bobby photos in OneDrive. If you accidentally removed a picture from your cloud storage, don't panic. OneDrive keeps deleted items for a while, and you can usually get them back by checking a single place, the recycle bin. Here's how to get there and quickly spot your photos. Start by opening your web browser and going to OneDrive on the web. Sign into the Microsoft account where those photos were stored, whether it's your personal account or the one you use for work or school. After you sign in, you'll land on the OneDrive homepage. Next, look along the left-hand side of the screen for the navigation panel. You should see entries like My Files, Photos, and Recycle Bin. On smaller screens, that panel can be collapsed. If you don't see it, expand the side menu or widen your browser window so the Recycle Bin option appears. If your interface language or theme is different, the icon still looks like a bin or trash can. Now, click Recycle Bin. This opens a list or grid of everything you've recently deleted, including photos. You'll see details such as the file name, when it was deleted, and its original location. To locate images faster, use the search bar at the top to type part of a file name, or sort by deleted date so the most recent items rise to the top. If a filter for file type is available, choose Images to narrow the view. Selecting a photo often shows a preview and more info in the Details pane, which helps you confirm you've found the right shot. Keep timing in mind. In most personal OneDrive accounts, items stay in the recycle bin for up to 30 days. In many work or school accounts, they can be retained for longer, often up to about 93 days, though your organization may set a different policy. If you don't see the photo you expected, double-check you're signed into the correct account, and consider whether the item might have aged out or been permanently removed. When you found the photos you need, select them and choose Restore to put them back in their original folders. You can also download a copy if you just need the image locally. That's it. You went to OneDrive Home, looked for the recycle bin on the left, and opened it to find your deleted photos. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you recover what you need quickly.